Greetings from my side. Welcome to our video session. In this video session, I bought one more unique topic, practicals related topic, permanent slide, pole mount, Euglena. Scientific name is Euglena viridis. So let's see what are the characteristic features or observed characters along with the classification of this permanent slide Euglena viridis. Coming to classification, Euglena viridis belongs to phylum Protozoa, subphylum Sarcomastigophora, then superclass Mastigophora, then coming to class Phytomastigophora, genus Euglena, species viridis. So this is the information of the classification or hierarchy. Then coming to the observed characters or the general characters of our Euglena viridis. First one, these are unicellular prokaryotic organisms, and these organisms are aquatic, especially exclusively found in fresh water bodies. The body shape is spindle shape. Amoeba in the sense irregular shape. Euglena viridis, it has a spindle shaped body, and cytoplasm is found. This entire Euglena body is covered by special protein membrane or layer that is known as pellicle. Pellicle, that is called. Then prominent nucleus is found. Inside the nucleus, endosome also seen, and in the cytoplasm, chloroplasts are found. With the help of these chloroplasts, Euglena, in the presence of sunlight, it can perform photosynthesis. Actually, Euglena comes under animal kingdom. It can perform heterotrophic nutrition, and also it can perform, with the help of chloroplast, autotrophic nutrition sometimes, because Euglena viridis can perform both heterotrophic and autotrophic nutrition, modes of nutrition. Hence, Euglena viridis is also called mixotrophic organism. Mixotrophic, hetero and auto. Then in the cytoplasm, paramyelum or paramyellar body is also found, and in the cytoplasm, cytopharynx can be seen, and at the anterior end, cytostome also can be seen. Cytopharynx and cytostome can be seen. Two types of flagella are arised. One is a longer flagella, another one is a shorter flagellum. These both longer and shorter flagella together participate in the movement or locomotion. At the base of longer flagella, one special structure is formed that is called paramyellar or paraflagellar structure or body, and stigma or eye spot can be seen. It can detect the changes takes place in the water or surrounding environment. Then spirally arranged special structures are seen in the cytoplasm of the Euglena. These are called myoneins. These are also helps in the locomotion or movement process. And on the flagella, the appendages are arranged. So based on the appendages, flagella types I have already explained in one video: stichonematic, acro, pantacro, anematic, etc. Please, you can go through that. So these are the points which are related or comes under observed characters or general characters of Euglena viridis. Permanent slide, whole mount. Once go through the parts: paramyellar body, stigma, paramylum, endosome nucleus, cytoplasm, myelins, chloroplast, flagellum, contractile vacuole. Contractile vacuole helps in the maintenance of osmoregulation and sending out undigested or foreign particles from the body. And coming to reproduction, asexual reproduction takes place, and that too binary fission. Here longitudinal binary fission can be seen in the Euglena. In amoeba irregular binary fission, but in Euglena viridis longitudinal binary fission can be seen. That's it. These are the points of our Euglena viridis. Thank you. Signing off. This is Mr. Karthikeyan, mentor in NEET and all types of competitive classes, botany and zoology subject. Signing off.